Walmart has some of the best deals right now for a limited time. Let me show you. Walmart has a deals event going on right now with some awesome deals. They're available online at walmart.com, or you can get these items available in store. And I want to thank Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Now you really need to hurry because these deals are ending soon on October 13th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern. One of my favorite items on Walmart are my dinnerware plates. They're by the brand Time and Table, and they're just so gorgeous. Recently, I found out that they have a cookware set. I didn't even know that they had cookware. The cookware set is currently on deal and it comes in a bunch of different colors. I decided to go with the cream color, but there was so many fun colors to choose from.
Now remember, prices are subject to change online.
There's nothing better than a simmer pot for fall. Let me show you how I put it together. You don't need to buy anything, just head over to your fridge and pull out things that are getting ready to go bad. Like if you have lemons that look a little bit older, you could use those. Let's see what else I have. These raspberries are getting ready to go bad. I'm gonna use those, and then I always love to use rosemary. I'm also grabbing some of my fall staples like the cinnamon sticks, vanilla, and whole cloves. Fill your pot up about halfway full with water. Next, just cut up any fruit that you have. Just add in any fruit that is going bad you want to get rid of. Rosemary smells amazing. It's perfect in a simmer pot. Finish it off, cinnamon sticks, a few cloves, and a little vanilla. Place it on your stove on simmer. A hack you can try if you're limited on cabinet space is to hang your pots and pans on the side of your cabinets. There's so many decorative colors with this cookware set that it's perfect for displaying. One of the top home decor deals that you can pick up for the Walmart Deals event is an olive tree. This is a 6-foot olive tree. You can grab it for $37.99. And just keep in mind, all prices are subject to change. Now you could put it in a normal planter, but I'm gonna show you how to make it spooky for fall. I'm gonna add some polyfill to make it look like a real witch's cauldron. One of the deals that I know you're gonna wanna pick up during the Walmart Deals event is their $5 candles. You heard that right, $5 for a 14.3 ounce candle. Now, which candles should you pick up? I know whenever you're buying candles online, it's really hard because you don't know what the scents are. I wanted to share with you my 3 favorites. Soft Cashmere and Amber. This one, definitely I can smell the amber, I can smell the sandalwood, but it's a light scent. It's not too overpowering. Salted Coconut and Mahogany. This one is more of like that beachy scent. I don't know, I could have this all year round. It's just a really good one. But this last one is my absolute favorite. I mean, I've bought this scent before. It's Warm Leather and Amber. It's just so good. Trust me, it's a great scent. And these come in these adorable containers. I'm impartial, I like the black one, but you also have like this pretty white jar, and this one is kind of like a beige color, so perfect to sit out in your home decor. These also come with wood wicks, and they come in a variety of scents. I have to show you this new vase that I found on Walmart. It's so beautiful and you could do so much with it. Let me show you how to turn this vase into a really cool matchstick holder. Take all of your matches out. On the side of every matchbox is a little strike here. You want to cut that out. Next, I'll hot glue this to the bottom of my vase. Next, I'll place the matches in. This looks gorgeous sitting by your candles, and anytime you need to light your candle, just take a match out and strike the bottom.
Mark some of your Christmas shopping off early by picking up the 22-inch Blackstone griddle. It's on deal for $167. It has a hard cover and comes with a carrying bag.
If you've been looking for a countertop ice maker, I just spotted one on Walmart on deal right now for $89.99. It makes bullet ice in only 5 minutes, and it comes in 2 different colors. Do you remember this container that I showed you around 4th of July? It's one of my favorite containers on Walmart, and I knew I had to come up with some fall drinks to show you. Keep it classic. One of our containers is just gonna be apple cider. We have our apple cider. Now we're gonna make a Halloween potion. You're gonna need 3 different drinks. First up, you're gonna need the green Hawaiian punch. You're gonna need lemonade and Sprite. I like the Sprite Zero. I think it tastes the same. You're gonna need equal parts of all your drinks. So we're gonna start by putting 2 cups of each into our container. Next, 2 cups of lemonade. And 2 cups of Sprite. Our last drink is gonna be a witch's brew. You need 4 ingredients. You're gonna need blue Gatorade, the Sprite Zero again, grenadine, and a little bit of lemon juice. I'm gonna put the entire Gatorade in here. I'm gonna do about half a cup of grenadine. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. We'll do a couple of cups of Sprite. And of course we need a Halloween mug. I think these little ghosts are perfect. Comment down below which drink you want to try. If you've been wanting a Roku TV, they are on major deal right now for under $100. I've had one now for several years and I really enjoy it. Here's a hack using your spooky cookie cutters. Take a slice of bread and using your cookie cutters, you're going to cut out a section in the middle. I have a pumpkin and a ghost. You need 2 more slices of bread and then place on your cheese. I put American cheese on one, mozzarella on the other. Just cook your grilled cheese in the skillet. These turned out so cute.
And if you've had your eye on the Carrot brand cookware set, it's available on Walmart for just $69.99 right now. Carrot also has a 14-piece knife set for just $39.99. It comes with a wooden block and stainless steel knives.
Let me show you a hack to decorate your knife block for the season. You're gonna need 2 things. I have a piece of white felt. You could also use scrapbook paper. I also found these really cool rub-on mushrooms. I'll trim down the felt so that it fits onto the front of my wood block. There's a lot of cute rub-on appliques. I'm just going to pull this out and figure out which ones I wanna use. I think I decided I wanted to go with the red mushrooms. Now I'm just going to press them down and transfer them to my felt. You're gonna place your mushroom down, use one of these scrapers to adhere it to your felt, and then pull the plastic back. If there's still some on the plastic, just keep scraping at it until you get most of it onto the felt. I think it looks adorable. I'm gonna add it on with some double-sided sticky tape. And at the end of the season, you can just remove this.
Do you remember my black outdoor Adirondack chairs? I love them so much and they can be kind of pricey. I just found them online on deal for you. They're priced at $93.99, so a great time to pick them up.
Have you ever heard of a boo bag? Essentially, it's a goodie bag that you can put together for your loved ones around this time of year, the spooky season. I found the cutest little bag to use with these ghosts on it, and I even found candy corn tissue paper. Let's put together this boo basket. So the main items I'm gonna put in here are these really cute pink ghost pajamas that I picked up on Walmart. These are on deal right now. I'm pretty sure these are gonna sell out for the Walmart Deals Day. These are only $10 and they have 3 different styles. Let me show you a tissue paper hack. So take out your tissue paper and put it with the pretty side facing up. Then you're gonna take another sheet and you wanna put it so that the corners are on opposite sides. Oh, I gotta do it facing up. Now you could do more sheets if you want. 2's enough, sometimes 3 looks good as well. Start by grabbing it in the middle and just pull straight up. You're gonna turn it this way and place it into your bag. I like to do that twice. I think it just makes it look so much fuller. Dirt Devil has a steam cleaner out right now that's only $88. I love how compact it is and easy to store. The Halloween inflatables are also on sale right now. You can pick up this Halloween inflatable ghost for just $30.99. Make sure you hurry so you can pick up all these deals on Walmart. I'm gonna link them for you down below, and make sure you subscribe because I wanna see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.